Hello everyone. So this is the Java program that I've been writing on to help with the OP binary coins. So Dave and Shan would sometimes go over and say that instead of trying to get the full 512 type, that you should actually spend a dedicated amount of time on specific coins until you get really good at them. So this program quizzes you on these 9 coins, such as double observer, double versus double decider, self-input tribe, organize over gather, comes from, if you just watch the general video content, the class notes over here has some information on the coins in general, and the data came from the class archives, such as Sylvester Stallone has double masculine FINI, sleep, blast, play, consume. So the data is already in there, and these instructions on this link over here, on this GitHub link, which is where people put code on, will have some updated instructions, but hopefully the video will go over most of it, and yeah, the instructions won't have to be updated too much. But feel free to ask questions if things don't work. I've mostly just tested this on my own computer, and this is a Mac. I don't really know if it'll work for other people, so hopefully it does. So if you have this link, you can go straight to this releases button over here, and I have it under releases in case I make more versions of this, and Um, essentially, yeah, this will be version 1. If I make a version 2, I'll just add it here. It's typically, like if you knew how to program and just run this all yourself, I would just give you the GitHub link and tell you to make it yourself. But it's easier if I have it running in one location. So you would download this opbinarycointrainer.jar. So I'm just going to click on it. And I'm on a Mac in Chrome. It seems that it looks at it as unsafe because it's a randomly compiled code and you don't know what it does. I'm going to keep it, and you'll see over here. So this may or may not run for you straight once you download it. That's because it requires Java to run. A lot of you probably have Java since you might need it for other programs, but if you don't, then you have to download it from the Oracle websites. If you have Windows, it's probably this link over here, this x64. If you have a Mac, it's probably this installer over here. You have Linux, you probably know what you're doing, but it's probably one of these two x64 links. And yeah, if you have any questions on that, I can help answer that. I already have Java, so I'm just going to double click on this. And on the Mac, it also doesn't like it because it's just randomly downloaded code. So I'm just going to open it like that. That's usually how you open on the Mac. You have to right click instead of double clicking the first time. And so these are the 9 coins. And one thing I did was I let you press on a certain coin, and there's this easier progressive mode. So this was sort of to make it easier for training. Essentially, some people are probably easier to figure out than others for a specific coin. So for reasons over values, I reasoned that feelers and thinkers like lead T's and lead F's are probably easier to figure out than their counterparts, the observers, the N and S leads. So if you click on easy progressive mode, it should go through all the lead thinkers and lead feelers, and then the observers. So similar logic has been done for most of the other coins. Double observer, double decider, I couldn't really think of progressive mode. So if you click on yes, it'll still randomize it. But essentially this is yes, try to order it in a more easier way so that I can warm up, or do no, do completely random. So I'm gonna do yes. Cassie J, she's I think an INFP, so if I do values over reasons, it'll say correct for Cassie J. Simon Pegg is also an INFP, she's an ISFP, so I'll do that. I actually don't know, I'll just guess. It's correct. 3 out of 3. Chris Evans is F over T, but I'll guess the wrong answer. And I see 3 out of 4. So there's over 100 people, since that's how many people are in the class archives right now. And one feature I also added was if you click X, because you probably won't get through the full 100 sometimes, because you're gonna have to be actively watching YouTube videos to do this, unless you're just trying to memorize it. If you X here, it'll say data saved, and you'll see that the CSV file has been created. And this is year, month, day, hour, minute, second. if I open this, I'll be able to see the saved data. So my score was 3 out of 4. I was trying to answer for these 4 people. And let me paste this in an Excel or CSV, Google Sheets, to show you it a little better. So this is Google Sheets. I can format it and I can do text to columns. Let me paste a little bit more. So text to column. So you see the name, the 512 type, the MBTI type, your choice, correct choice, and if you answered correctly. So, this isn't advanced data analytics, but at least it keeps track of stuff for you. So if you were really serious about this, especially if you've never seen some of the types before, um, yeah, this would do a lot of the work for you, and then you can see patterns of where you messed up. And I don't know, you could play games with yourself to try to get like a higher score over time. Um, it wasn't super thought out of how the training would go, but I kind of want to use this for myself, and hopefully it'll help other people. Maybe there'll be really good ideas coming out. That's mostly it. If you have any questions, just reply or email or message me, and I'll try to update something. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Have a great day.